DoorDash tiered rewards, mastering the daily reset time. Hey Dashers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates on gig work tips and tricks. Today, we're going to break down a critical aspect of DoorDash's new tiered rewards program, the daily reset time and how to stay ahead of it. Alright, let's dive right into the details about DoorDash's tiered rewards program, particularly how the daily reset time works. Unlike the old Top Dasher program, which reset every 30 days, the new system uses a rolling 30-day period. How does the rolling 30-day period work? Daily reset at midnight. Every night at midnight, the system recalculates your delivery count to include the deliveries from the most recent 30 days. This means every new day, the deliveries from 30 days ago drop off your total. Example: if today is June 1st, DoorDash counts your deliveries from May 2nd to June 1st. Tomorrow, on June 2nd, it will count from May 3rd to June 2nd. Why this matters? The daily reset can cause fluctuations in your delivery count. If you miss a few days, it can impact your tier status more than you might think, as those missed days will stay in your rolling period until they fall off. Tips to stay on track. Maintain a buffer. Aim to complete more than the minimum required deliveries to give yourself a cushion. For instance, if the minimum is 100, try to keep your count around 150. This way, if you have a few slow days, you won't immediately drop below the threshold. Stay consistent. Regularly doing deliveries helps keep your count steady. For example, if you drop below 100 deliveries and fall to the gold tier, aim to do 10 to 15 dashes today to make up for it. Monitor your progress. Track your daily deliveries. By keeping a close eye on your numbers, you can ensure you don't dip below the required 100 deliveries. Plan ahead. If you know you'll have days you can't dash, make up for it in advance. This prevents you from falling behind when those days roll off your count. Practical advice. Imagine you find yourself 5 deliveries below the 100 mark, dropping you to gold status. To regain your position, aim to do 10 or 15 dashes today. Remember, tonight at midnight, your delivery count will adjust again, dropping any deliveries you made 30 days ago. Having a buffer helps prevent sudden drops in your status due to these daily resets. Conclusion. Mastering the daily reset time in DoorDash's tiered rewards program is essential for maintaining your status and maximizing your earnings. Consistency and a buffer are your best friends. I hope this video helps you understand how to stay on top of your game. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or additional tips for your fellow Dashers. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.